Producers old and young should learn from Coco Martin. I love the guy. I salute him.
Tandaan mo ito, Jackie. Pwede mong maulol ang mga tao. Pero hindi ako at ang pamilya ko.
The most important thing is camaraderie among my co-stars, my co-actors. The feeling that you belong, yung walang igitan, walang tapawan, you put each other up, each and every one of us. Ang dami. Yung mga interaction namin ni Gustavo, and then, of course, with Albert Martinez, Angel Aquino, Sandra Romero, of course.
Kinakampihan mo naman ang antipatik ang babae nga.
Wala! Tumigil ka, ha?
Tumahimik ka!
I think it's my character. It's quite challenging. I thought kasi when I accepted Batang Quiapo, it's always barilang baga ng action. Hindi pala, kasi sabi ko, hindi ko kaya yung mga action. Yung pala, there's a story behind. And Coco, of course, is a tremendous human being. Some producers, old and young, should learn from Coco Martin. I love the guy. I salute him.